If you want to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to to go to connections, make sure that you have connections enabled, and then we have mobile hotspot and tethering. We can tap on the switcher in order to easily enable mobile hotspot. However, it is only available if you decide to not share Wi-Fi. In other words, you cannot really share the access to the internet with Wi-Fi. So in this case, we need to actually turn it off. And after that, we can tap on the mobile hotspot and we should be able to find the network name, the password, and the band. And all of this can be actually customized. If you want to change the password, change the name, or adjust the band, then you can do this over here. And that's pretty much it. Of course, if you made any changes, remember to press save. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.